So in 2018, uDr. Lwazi Lushaba made a very controversial statement about uHitler, yabo. So kule controversial statement ayishoyo uLwazi athi uHitler is a hero to thina ama-Africans, yangithola. So obvious uya-explain ukuthi kahle kahle why athi uHitler is a hero, yabo. Ngoba he speaks ngale gama lelithi genocide, yabo. So athi before uHitler did what he did to ama-Jews, igama lithi genocide bengakaze la exist, yabo. Despite ukuthi uLeopold wase-Belgium bekayenzani eCongo to ama-Congolese, yangithola. So only when uHitler does lento le ayenzile to ama-Jews, only then does igama elithi genocide come to existence, yabo. Another thing uLwazi, uDr. Lwazi Lushaba athi uHitler is a hero to ama-Africans is because le war yakhe, the war eyayenziwa uHitler, which was World War II, is the war eya-allow ama-European countries to be weakened, yangithola. And from i-weakness yalawo ma-European countries, sakwazi thina as ama-Africans to unite and liberate ourselves, yangithola. So yeah.